Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to film my personal favorite makeup from 2020. That's our video today. And so, once again, I'm warning you, I don't have a band-aid on my nasty wound on my finger. So if you see the cut, I apologize, but I needed to get some air and start healing up. So, that's how that is. So, my favorite makeup of 2020, if you watch my videos, you know I don't haul a lot of makeup very often. I do not like to hoard it. It is something I've done in the past, and I like to use what I have. Finishing a makeup item feels so satisfying, and I like to keep my look fairly simple. I don't have excessive blush. I don't contour. I just feel like it looks silly on me. I don't go wild on the eyes. I like to have a nice simple look, something I can throw on in a normal world in like 20 minutes, maybe max, if that, probably more like 5 most days, and get out the door and go to work. So this is probably pretty exemplary of a normal look for me. If I'm going crazy, it's on a lip and not anywhere else. So with that said, my makeup is probably things that are not new. Probably things that have been around for a long time, things that I've personally had for a long time because I don't cake it on. I don't have a ton that I put on every day, and things that I use pretty tried and true. So with that said, let's get started. We'll start with the face, foundation, concealer, whatnot. And so my favorite foundation is the Tarte Foundsealer. I have the shade 16N Fairlight, which can tend to look a little dark on me once winter comes, but generally is a really good match for me. I think the Foundsealer is a great foundation. I know everyone is obsessed with their like tape line, but for me this is the best one they have. It is just so easy to put on, blend on, and you're good to go. It is just an absolute pleasure to use. So that is my favorite foundation. And I also have one, I wrote the name down so I didn't forget, the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 20. That is one I finished early in the year actually and haven't repurchased just yet. I purchased a Pacifica BB cream, which is okay. It's not my favorite. I'm gonna finish it and probably won't repurchase it. It gets the job done. I just like that Tarte one much better personally. I wish I had it here to show you, but I don't. But I love that one. It is so good. And once again, it's the application for me. It goes on so easy, blends out so quickly, and you look fantastic in a minute, which I love. Anything fast, I love. And then lots of Tarte in this video. I'm just warning you ahead of time. I just really enjoy Tarte products. My favorite powder this year was the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder in the color Light. This is an item I've actually repurchased. This one is pretty much dead. It's got a little bit of product around the rim, but other than that, it's gone. I have some different powders I'm going to be using, just testing out different things, but I imagine I'll probably repurchase this at some point in the future because I really love it. It doesn't make you look dry or powdery. It just sets everything and looks really nice. It's a really good powder. After foundation, we move on to concealer. This was my favorite concealer this year. It is the 100% Pure Long Last Concealer, and I have the shade White Peach, and I just love it because it is light. It masks the under eye look without looking heavy, and I just think you can throw this on and go. You don't even have to throw anything else on. If you want to just have a quick refresh, I think it's really nice. You'll notice a lot of these products I have broken, and this is another one that I've broken because I just reach for it so much and abuse it. But it's just really nice. It works with a brush, it works with your finger, and it looks really good. My only complaint about this is that it does appear very dewy. So I do find in order to get it to match the rest of my face, I have to powder under my eyes twice. it usually does not look crazy to do that. I find that it looks alright, but it is one that I really enjoy, something I probably will keep one hand for ever, I guess, until I find something better. I really, really like that one. From there, let's talk about the cheeks. I don't have a favorite bronzer. I have one I'm using, but I don't feel like it's anything special. It's just the one that I have that I'm using up right now. But I do have two favorite blushes to talk about. The Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. I don't have a favorite color in particular. I just really like this formula. I like that it is not overly pigmented, which to me is great because I can just go ham with my brush in here and put it on and not look like a clown, which is fantastic. These are two that I've been using a lot this year. This is Imagined, which I believe came in a limited edition holiday set a few years back. Once again, another item that I've broken. And I've also been using Exposed a good bit this year. So those are some blushes I've been enjoying. And then for cream blush, I have really enjoyed the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek, I guess, blush, I don't know, in Work. This actually was a freebie from Sephora, but I really have enjoyed how that looks on the cheeks. It's very natural and fleshed. That's a fun one for spring, summer. I don't have a favorite highlighter to talk about. For me, it's either it looks nice or it doesn't. I haven't really been wowed by one just yet, so we can move on to the eyes. This might have been my favorite last year, but the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in Ash just works so well for me. This is a spectacular product. I think I may have just started using a product that might beat this one out for 2021, but I've literally used it like twice, so I can't really put it in this 2020 video, but this is an old faithful for me. It just gets the job done and looks fantastic. The next product, I do not know if this is vegan or cruelty free. I don't even know where the hell I got this product, to be completely honest, but it is from Trestique. It is the Morimoto Pink Pearl Mini Eyeshadow Crayon. And this is pretty much the only thing I've put on my eyes almost all year. It is this pearly shade, which the camera will probably not focus on. Oh, there we go. And I literally just draw it onto my lid, blend out the edges a little with my finger and call it a day, because that is the most I can be bothered to deal with eyeshadow. Like, I am usually not in the mood to mess with eyeshadow, and these kind of products make that possible. So this unfortunately will be making an appearance in an empties video either January or February, because it is towards the end of its life. But I will just grab another product out of my stash from that point, and you'll probably see one color on my lid until that's gone again. So I really enjoyed that, and I hope it's vegan and cruelty free, but I felt it needed a honorable mention. Mascara. I have been loving the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I just really like using this. I would repurchase it over and over. It is a good mascara. I think it gives the lashes a good look, but also can look kind of daytime natural. I don't think it's excessive. This is exactly what I want my lashes to look like, and they look like this pretty much every time you use it, unless you're going crazy with it. So that is one I really, really enjoy. Cannot recommend enough that you try that mascara. Moving on to lip products. The products I really used the most this year were more so treatment or lip care products, because I'm home all day every day. I throw on a lipstick when I'm filming, but aside from that, it's really just me and my natural face. So there are 4 I have here to share. The first being my all-time favorite chapstick. It is the Soothing Touch Vanilla Chai Lip Balm. This is a new one I have yet to open that my mom gave me for Christmas. I think I forgot to put this in my what I got for Christmas video, but it's like I've been missing that much of my video, not sharing a chapstick, whatever. And then this one came in a subscription box. I don't remember which one. It is the K-Voss lip treatment in the shade Fig Macaroon. Let me use my other hand since I don't want to put my cut up in your face. But this I have had at my work desk and use especially a good bit before I hop on a Zoom call, just to make sure I have a little life to my face. I love this. I didn't think I would like it at first with it having that color tint to it, but using it in the capacity that I have been for like work calls and stuff, it's been fantastic and it feels really, really good on. And then I have two others. These are the Tarte Lip Quench Rescue. And I have the shade Nude and Holly. I think these came together in a holiday set, maybe last year. So you'll see one is a little pinker and one is a little nuder. But honestly, on the lips, they look fairly similar. Come on, focus. There we go. And they just give the lips this juicy, quenched look. They look hydrated and full and a little glossy, and they look really nice. If you're just running out of the house to do something, it's a little bit of a step up from a chapstick, but they still have that nice moisturizing nature to them. So I have really enjoyed these because they're just super simple and easy to throw on. The last two items I wanted to share are brushes, and I didn't want to share a brush with you guys unless it was like it's my favorite for using with a particular product and I don't like when I have to switch to another one or clean this one and let it dry. So I only have two to share. This is from EcoTools. I do not know a number or a set or whatever, but I really, really, really like this one for bronzer for me and my face. It just distributes it the way that I really enjoy it. And then we have this one from Tarte. I do not know the name of this one either, but I will see if it's still on the website and link it if it can. But it is kind of this slanted, thicker kabuki style one, and I love the way this applies foundation. To me, this is the most flawless application I get. I don't like sponges. I don't like the way they interact with my skin. I think it makes me look weird. There are people that use sponges that look fantastic. I just don't like the way it leaves the foundation finish on my face personally. But this brush does everything for me. I love this brush. So I will try and find these and link them down below. I'll probably have to do a little bit of digging. This one came in a set, but I'll see if I can find something similar. So those were my makeup favorites for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know what your makeup favorites were, so leave that in a comment down below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any other thoughts besides telling me what your favorite makeup was, definitely leave that in a comment down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!